Right, so in today's video we're going to be fitting the new alloy wheels that I've done myself, the DIY, the red strips, and we're doing it through a company which I can't name just out of respect because they asked me not to show their company name, so we just have to abide by their rules and give it a little bit of respect. But this is the process of how we're going to fit the wheels. So currently we're just taking off the old wheels and we're going to fit in the new wheels on. So as you can see, all the wheels are off. So these are all the old wheels currently come off, including the tires as well. And then for the new alloy wheels, we are just currently getting the right size for the tires in terms of best recommendation for the suggestion. And as you can see, that is what it looks like. Obviously, it's in the air at the moment. You won't notice the final results at the moment, but you're going to see it in a very short while. Before I begin to show you, make sure to like, subscribe, share this post as much as you can. Let's get it.
That feels good. That's why
And that is the update on the Mercedes A-Class. This is not the end of it, so don't worry. There's still more to do, just that everything is being on hold at the moment. However, this is the end of 2025, so this is what the update on the A-Class is. 2025 has been a bumpy ride for me. I'm sure it's been a bumpy ride for all of you guys. But 2026, I'm telling you, this year is going to be locked and loaded. I'm going to be posting as much as I can on not only the car, but also events, car meets, different meetups. It's gonna be crazy. I'm telling you this now. It'd be amazing to build up some content with other car enthusiastic out there as well. But we'll see how that goes. But yeah, this is the end of the 2025 videos. I hope you enjoyed all the videos that I made in 2025. Thank you so much for your support, as well as all the nice comments that you've been putting down as well. Thank you so much. Hope you guys had an amazing 2025, and let's bring on 2026. Let's get it. Peace.
Luck sell our dreams, that's the deal, yeah. Using just talk, they living proof. Family in the crib, yeah, we bulletproof. Money ain't love, but it helps get through. Luck sell our dreams, that's what I do, yeah.